Okay, so this is the Kaboom scrub-free continuous cleaning kit. So let's install it. First things first, take your toilet lid off, and then you are going to open the box, and basically you are going to have the apparatus, the Kaboom, and then you're going to have this hose line, and then this clips onto the back of your toilet, and then this is where you're going to put the tablets in. So kind of give you an idea. So this is kind of how it's going to flow in here. But let's see if that hose fits that we have on here. So we're going to remove this clip. Kind of came out kind of easy. And then this is going to be the Kaboom clip that we're going to put. We'll size that up. So we'll take that off. And then we'll put that there. And then we'll put this hose clip on like this. And then this end piece will go here. And then we'll just give it kind of a twist. All right, so we got that hose on. We'll give this a little bit of a twist so it fits good. Put this on the Kaboom. So we got that configured in there, and then we'll put this in there like that. We'll get that lined up a little bit better. Open this up. We'll cut that open. And we'll put the two Kaboom tablets in. And we'll put that on. Give it a flush, see how it works. You can see how it flows through, down and in. Alright, there you go. Kaboom scrub-free continuous clean. Okay, and if this end doesn't fit on just perfect, get a lighter and very carefully heat this up. We'll just give it a little bit of heat. Then what you can do is easily just slip that on. And then it'll form to that fit. And then just let that cool down for a little bit before flushing, but there you go.